What's up, everybody? DJ Minty Wolf Fresh here on February 17th of 2024. And I'm actually a word on replacement laces for Timberlands in Colorado here. You see, the official website doesn't really have, I haven't checked, to be honest. If they have an official replacement product, you look on eBay, you can get these made in China, which have the official logo on them. These are 47 inches, eyelets 7, 100% polyester probably. But compared to like this off-brand, 100% polyester, 72 inches for a different boot, you might find a better quality going off-brand. This is just the cheapest option for sure. About the same as these green ones. For Timberlands, you need the really stiff synthetic fiber. Oh, it's gone. For that, to have that kind of heft. But that's just me. I don't know. What do you think? Let's go.